Well, I want to talk about some showers and thunderstorms that erupted late this afternoon and early this evening across southwest Missouri and portions of northern Arkansas. And the reason I want to talk about it is because it was fueled by something called an MCV, Mesoscale Convective Vortex. Sounds very exotic. It's very similar to these mysterious upper level disturbances that I talk so much about, except these little rotating areas are actually spawned by previous clusters of showers and thunderstorms, sometimes 24 hours previous to where these MCVs eventually track. Now this is the radar at 3 o'clock, and this little minor little shower area we're seeing northwest of Springfield marks the MCV and where it's tracking, and eventually will track as I progress through this. Just keep this in mind. This MCV will eventually track something like this, and you can watch and see what the showers and thunderstorms do. And this is at 3 o'clock. Look at these temperatures: 99 in Springfield, 100 in Branson, well above 100 in northwest Arkansas, so pretty hot air, and as it turns out, unstable enough to support severe weather in some cases. So let's keep stepping this through. Here comes the radar. I'm just kind of moving it along here. This is 3:45, and you're starting to see the first little sign of some thunderstorm activity down there in southeastern portions of Berry County. I'll zoom in on this a little bit more now, and we'll keep stepping through this, and you'll see the first severe thunderstorm warning goes into effect for that area right there. And then we'll step through a few more steps here. Another one there for Carroll County in northern Arkansas. It's about 5 after 4 now. And then more warnings extending to just south of Branson there. And I want to zoom in a little bit more because I want to show you the nature of the severe weather reports by highlighting them here. So we had dime-size hail reported in Stone County, and dime to nickel-size hail in Dogwood Canyon Nature Park covering the ground. And then we had a 3/4-inch hail east of Lampe, with a pretty good little wind gust with that as well. We'll keep stepping through here and move forward. Then we had at the ASOS automatic reporting station there 6 miles south of Hollister a measured 64 mile per hour wind gust. That's at the airport, Branson Airport, 64 miles per hour there with that little cluster. And then we keep stepping forward, and as this thunderstorm area approached Harrison here, new warnings extended, but I want to show you this right here. They had estimated 50 mile per hour wind at Harrison because strong winds knocked down several power lines and caused minor damage to several structures in the city of Harrison. So I'll move along a little bit, and we'll keep following this cluster of storms. Again, this is all being egged on, if you will, by this MCV moving across the area. Various warnings again extended for parts of Taney, parts of Ozark County. The heavier weather seems to be broken in two now. And I'll kind of pan over a little bit. You can see this activity was approaching the Bull Shoals area. That's important because here in a few minutes we'll have some storm reports. We have 2 boat docks overturned and a power line down at Bull Shoals. That's that right there that I'm talking about, so right in this area here. And then we step through, and that was, by the way, this radar right here is 2250Z, so we're talking about 550. And then we'll keep going here. Another little report around Yellville in Marion County, Arkansas. One tree fallen on a house there. Large trees blown down in Yellville. And then this activity continues to move southeast here. Now this latest radar here is at 640. And you can see much of this activity is over in by Salem, Fulton County, Arkansas, ready to move out. Then a new cluster of storms, as I'm recording this, just after 7 o'clock tonight, is kind of raking over the same area as southern Stone, south of Branson, into Omaha there in northern Stone County, or make that northern Boone County. So this might be another interesting little set of storms for Harrison here in the next half hour or so.